So welcome back to my channel. I'm going to create this look in this video. So yes, let's just start. And this is how my hairs look like. So I cut them later. I think it's a better idea to record and see what I am doing on my face. So let's just see. I have a pimple right here. Just ignore it. First of all, I need to prep my skin. I need to cleanse my face. Generous amount of my cleanser. And after cleansing my face, apply some lip balm. And then I apply some moisture. Now I will wait for 2 minutes. थोड़ा सा lip balm और लगाएंगे and apply on my under eye. I'm getting confused, like should I make a hairstyle with my long hairs? Maybe I should like keep them straight. So here I change my outfit. I think I need to add some jewelry. So I'm gonna go and get my jewelry. So I'm gonna wear this. For now I need to clip these hair like this. So some yes, that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And one thing I want to tell you about being a content creator, it is like you are talking to yourself in your room. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. Time to leave. If you want to ask me something, you can write down on comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.